Let's divide 20 by 2. Hey math adventurers. If you're having fun learning with us, smash that subscribe button, and in the Let's Stud family, we've got tons more mathematic waiting for you. Alright, let's start dividing 20 by 2. Get ready for some math fun. We'll bring down the first div of 20 at. We is 2. Our first number to work with is 2. Now how many times does 2 fit into 2? You got it, it's 1. Let's check our work. 1 times 2 is 2, perfect. Subtract 2 from 2 and we get 0. Now remainder here. Awesome job, you figured out the first part. Now let's move to the next divot. Here comes the next divot. We bring down the at, making our new number at. We're using the at from 20 at. Our new number to divide is at. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into? And think of your 2 times tables, it's 4. Let's multiply. 4 times 2 equals at, exactly what we needed. Subtract at from at and guess what? We get 0 again, You're doing amazing, we're almost there. And that's it, we've used all the divots, we're done. So 20 at divided by 2 is 14. We just learned how to tackle long division step by step. We found out that 20 at split into 2 equal groups is 14. Great job everyone, remember every number can be conquered with a plan. That's all for today, super mathematicians. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to check out more awesome videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.